Hey guys, I'm Kriti and I'm 33 years old. Today when I think about, how I handled my situations when I was in my 20s, think I actually think to myself that okay, I could have handled my situations better. I could have handled my challenges better, in order to avoid all the mess and all the drama that I had to experience in my 20s. I remember a lot of challenges I started facing in my late 20s. At that point of time, I used to feel that okay, my life is over. I cannot rewrite my story, and I didn't have the confidence to, face my fears, to face my challenges. I was the kind of person because I didn't have the confidence. I thought that maybe okay, I should go with the flow. Maybe there is nothing that I can do to improve my situations. But eventually, with time, I realized that no, you are your own savior. You need to be your own hero, no matter how many challenges you go through in your life, no matter whatever happens. You have to take control of your life and you have to make sure that you are winning every single battle. Even if there are delays, it's okay, but you have to win those battles. So today I'll be talking about what I learned in my 20s and things that I wish I knew in my 20s so that I could have, handled my situations better. I could have, avoided all the drama and all the mess that I had to experience. But again, I have no regrets in my life because of whatever experiences I had. It, made me learn a lot of things, and because of those challenges, I am the kind of person I am today. I have no regrets. But yes, through my experience, I just want to, tell you all things that you should know in your 20s and how you can handle your situations. First thing that you have to keep in mind is you can rewrite your story whenever you want. It is not the end of the world. You can turn around any situation, any challenges in your favor. It might take a while, but you need to be very patient with it. Your 20s are all about discovering about yourself. What exactly do you want from your life? What kind of person do you want to become? You need to be extremely patient. You have the power to, turn around any situation, any challenges in your favor. You have the power to rewrite your story. If you don't want to settle for a particular situation or something that you don't want, you have the power to turn around that situation in your favor. All it'll take is a little bit of patience from your side. Second thing that you have to keep in mind is let people go. You are going to meet a lot of temporary people in your 20s, and it is okay. Don't take it personally if someone is, leaving from your life or someone is not in your life anymore. Don't take it personally. Whenever a person's story is over from your life, that person eventually has to leave because that person is not meant to be in your life forever. I remember I used to take this very personally. I had this fear at some point in my life. I had this fear that people leave and people will not be in your life. People will not be a part of your life. I had this fear, but I had to make peace with it, thinking that okay, people who really love me, people who are really meant to be in my life will always be in my life no matter what happens. And people who don't want to be in my life, all the temporary people who don't give a shit about anything, they will leave because universe knows that those temporary people are not for you. Universe knows who is meant to be in your life and who's not. So don't take this personally. All you have to do is give your best, do your best for everyone, and be the best version of yourself. Whoever wants to leave, let them leave. Third thing that you have to keep in mind is you cannot control some situations. No matter how much you try, it will only slip away, because there are some situations that you cannot do anything about. So in that case, what can you do? You need to let it be and let the universe handle it. If that situation or a person is meant for you, that situation or person will eventually turn around in your favor. If not, it'll just go away because universe knows that that particular thing was not meant for you. So don't try to control everything. Fourth thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to be your own savior. I realized this in my late 20s or maybe my early 30s. I'm 33 now, but yeah, I realized this very late that you have to be your own savior. You cannot depend on anyone to save you. You know, you cannot depend on anyone from saving you from drowning. You cannot. You have to save yourself. You have to be strong-headed. You have to be, confident enough to face your challenges. Because see, what happens is eventually people get busy in their own lives. They are going to be your friends, your family, all your close people are always going to be there for you. But even they have their own lives too, right? They have to handle their own challenges, their own lives too. You cannot depend on anyone 24/7. So in order to be emotionally dependent on someone else, you have to be strong-headed and save yourself from any kind of challenges. Fifth thing that you have to keep in mind is it's okay to outgrow people. In your 20s, you're going to outgrow a lot of people only because those people are not going to be in alignment with you. For example, if someone else would be in their chapter 20 and you will be in your chapter 5, it is okay. It is only because you and that person won't be in alignment with each other, so that person will eventually leave from your life because your energies won't match. So in case if you observe, you notice that you are outgrowing someone, it is okay. That's only happening because either you are the one who's evolving or that person is evolving. So don't take this personally. Sixth thing that you have to keep in mind is it's okay to make mistakes. I have made a video on this topic. In your 20s, in fact, till the time you are alive, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. But your 20s are all about your learnings, okay? So in your 20s, you are going to make a lot of mistakes and it's okay. You don't have to be too hard on yourself. The most important thing is for you to not repeat those mistakes again. Learn from those mistakes and move on. That's the only thing you can do, because you didn't understand one thing, that you are a human being at the end of the day. Don't take those things personally. Don't take it to your heart. You've made a mistake, it's okay. Apologize, acknowledge that thing, move on and don't repeat it again. Seventh thing that you have to keep in mind is destiny/universe has better plans. I know in our 20s, right, we plan a lot about our future, about what we want and whom we want to spend our life with and so much, etc., right? I mean, we plan a lot, but eventually those things never happen. Eventually universe has better plans for us, so you need to trust the universe. You need to have faith. If things don't turn around in your favor, if things don't work in your favor, it's okay. Don't give up. Have faith, because trust me, I'm saying it from my experience, universe always has better plans for you that we don't realize. Eighth thing that you need to keep in mind is don't care about what people think or talk about you. It is your life. You know what's better for you. You know it's your journey. You should do things that make sense to your soul. People are going to say a lot of things to you. People will give you advices. People will gossip behind your back. It's okay. Let them be. Let them talk. It's okay. You need to focus on your life. You need to focus on your journey and do things that makes sense to you and your soul. Ninth thing that you have to keep in mind is have the tough conversations. I was never this kind of person. I used to be very honest, I used to run away from having tough conversations, because for me it was like, I don't know, it was either my fear or maybe I didn't want to face that conversation. But eventually I did realize with my challenges that okay, it is so important to face those fears. It is so important to have those tough conversations if you want to save the relationship, if you want to be in that friendship or relationship or whatever it is, right? So have the tough conversations. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be very difficult, but it's so important. Please have that tough conversation. It's either with your parents or your siblings, your best friend, your partner. It can be anyone, but you need to have the tough conversation, find the solution to the problem and move forward. 10th and the last thing that you have to keep in mind is control your emotions and your anger. So I have been the kind of person, I can control my emotions at times, but I have always been a short-tempered person, okay? For me, like, I get pissed off very easily. So it was so difficult for me to control my anger with time, and now I have worked on that part. So it's so important for us to control our emotions and our anger, because we don't realize because of that anger we can actually screw up that relationship or any kind of situation. Then later we realize because of that anger we either overreact, or it just spoils that relationship. So all I'll suggest is what I have learned from experiences. It's okay to get angry. It's fine. Just take some time alone and just try to process those emotions, process why are you angry. Once you cool down, after that have the conversation with that particular person, or whatever your situation is, and try to solve it, try to find a solution. But never ever have a conversation when you are too emotional or when you are very angry. Otherwise you might end up making a bad decision, which you don't want. This was it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope after watching this video you will learn that what you can avoid in your 20s and how you can handle your situations. Please do subscribe if you want to watch more such videos. I'll see you next time.